Oh, they're so strong. We're gonna try it again, deadbeats. I still have the water from before, so we're gonna try it again. Hold on. Let me go ahead and grab the water. Fuck my life. We're drinking water backwards. All right, count me down, deadbeats. We're going for 9 sips and no less. Okay, well, they got worse. Yes, they did. Here we go. Here we go. Ready? Oisho. Oh, thanks, guys. I drank 10 sips, and I think we're okay. Holy smokes, I'm fine! Whoa! Nice! Kawaii! No, no, no. It worked! It worked! Yay! It's a shame some of you guys don't understand. You can save yourself from hiccups. Oh, is Kusatori here? Howdy, Kusatori. I just cured hiccups. You should try it sometime. Yeah. Oh, whoa, chat going so brrr, I really can't read anything. But I know that Kusatori is here. Welcome, Kusatori. Can't cure Ame. I guess that's true. Kiara, why are you up at 3 a.m.? It's pretty late. But it checks out to me. Kiara is awake late into the night. Yup. This is how it was back here, too. It's fine. Nothing wrong with it. I'm the same these days. Anyway, welcome, Kiara. We're gonna draw Sensho. How do you drink water backwards? Okay, I'll try my best to explain once again. You take a glass of water. Fill the glass of water. Stand normally. Hold the glass of water in your hand. Then lean forward, okay? Now you're looking at the glass below you, okay? It's a circle, okay? So the edge of the glass that is farthest away from you, that's where you're drinking from. Normally, when you drink a normal glass of water, you drink from the edge that is closest to you, but not this time. You drink it on the edge that's furthest away from you, and you lean forward, and you keep leaning forward, and you tip the glass back so that the water flows. It's a little dangerous. You'll probably spill some water. But you lean forward, and then the water flows into your mouth that way. Okay, I get it now. Okay, some of you get it. It's just needlessly complicated. No, it's not. You want to get rid of hiccups? Takes work. All right? Try it on your own time someday. Gotta try it on your own. You'll figure it out. You're just having a hard time imagining it. Some people get it. Not everyone will, and that's fine. Maybe you can just, I don't know, lie down on your bed and then try to be upside down. Apparently that works for some people, but I don't see how that would work. It's never worked for me. Or you could try the eye thing.